Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into outdoor adventures, camping, or just need a reliable pump for your home, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 portable electric air pumps for 2024. From compact designs to powerful performance, these pumps are going to make your life so much easier. So whether you're inflating air mattresses, pool toys, or even storage bags, stick around as we explore the best of the best in air compressors. Let's get started. Number 5. Portable Electric Air Pump. This little powerhouse is not only incredibly compact, but also packs a serious punch in the performance department. A-Test Technological Breakthrough. The air pump features a high-quality brushless motor and a special air duct design that ensures even heat distribution. This means it can work non-stop without overheating, unlike many other pumps that need frequent breaks. Ultra mini and portable, weighing only 4.9 ounces and measuring just 1.9 by 1.9 by 2.8 inches, this pump is smaller than your fist. It's perfect for slipping into your backpack or even your pocket. Plus, with its ABS shell and one-button operation, it's your perfect companion for camping, hiking, or beach trips. Quick inflation and deflation. With a maximum air pressure of 4 kilopascal and a wind speed of 280 liter per minute min, this pump can fill a swimming ring in just 15-20 seconds, an air mattress in about 100 seconds, and even an inflatable pool in just a few minutes. It's all about saving you time and effort. Smart air pressure sensing. The pump's built-in air pressure sensing device ensures your inflatable products are filled to perfection. As the internal pressure increases, the pump adjusts its rotation speed to maintain optimal air pressure. Rechargeable and versatile, equipped with a 1200 mAh rechargeable battery and a Type-C charging port, it only takes 2 to 3 hours to fully charge. You'll get about 20 minutes of continuous use, and with 5 different nozzles, it adapts to most inflatable products. Just remember, it's not for tires, balloons, or basketballs. Number 4. Flextail Gear. Flextail Gear. Tiny Pump X. The Flextail Gear. Tiny Pump X is incredibly compact, weighing just 89 grams and measuring 2 by 1.7 inches. It's so small you could compare it to an egg. This makes it super easy to carry. Just toss it in your backpack or even your pocket. And with its one-button operation, it's perfect for camping, hiking, the beach, or even indoor storage bags. Powerful inflation and deflation. Don't let its size fool you. This pump packs a punch. With a powerful 3.5 kilopascal air pressure and a fast 180 liter per minute wind speed, the Flextail Gear Tiny Pump X can quickly inflate or deflate your gear. Whether you're blowing up 4-5 swim rings, 6-8 camping air mattresses, or deflating up to 12 storage bags on a single charge, it's designed to get the job done efficiently. The Flextail Gear. Tiny Pump X isn't just an air pump. It also doubles as a handy camping light. It features an 8 LED bead light at the bottom with 3 brightness levels. With a 1300 milliampere lithium battery, this pump provides up to 15 minutes of use on a full charge. The Type-C port offers versatile charging options. You can use a power bank, laptop, car charger, or wall adapter. The Tiny Pump X comes with 5 different nozzles, making it compatible with a wide range of inflatable items. From air mattresses and pool floats to sleeping pads and inflatable furniture, this pump can handle it all. Built from solid ABS material with excellent sealing technology, it's sturdy and durable for all your needs. Number 3. HENGDUAN Electric Air Pump. HENGDUAN Electric Air Pump. An ultralight, multifunctional powerhouse that's perfect for all your outdoor adventures and more. The HENGDUAN Electric Air Pump is incredibly lightweight, weighing just 2.8 ounces and measuring only 2.8 inches in diameter. It's as compact as an egg, making it perfect for throwing in your backpack or pocket. With its one-button operation, it's super easy to use and friendly enough for kids. The HENGDUAN features a unique 3-in-1 design. It's an air pump, vacuum pump, and camping lantern all rolled into one. It's perfect for a range of activities, from inflating air cushions and pillows to vacuuming storage bags and lighting up your campsite. With a powerful 3.5 kPa air pressure and a wind speed of 180 liters per minute, this tiny pump can handle a lot. It can quickly inflate over 10 air mattresses or vacuum more than 20 storage bags on a single charge. However, it's not suitable for balloons, footballs, basketballs, or tires. The HENGDUAN pump is powered by a 1300 milliampere lithium battery and uses a Type-C charging port for fast and convenient charging. One full charge can last up to 10 hours of continuous use in lantern mode. This pump comes with 5 different nozzles, including 4 for various inflatable products like air mattresses, pool floats, and kids' toys, and 1 for vacuum bags. It's designed to meet all your inflation needs with ease. Number 2. Basus Mini Air Pump. The Baseus Mini Air Pump. Whether you're inflating air mattresses, pool toys, or just need a reliable pump for your next adventure, this little device is here to impress. The Baseus Mini Air Pump is incredibly portable, weighing only 130 grams and fitting perfectly in the palm of your hand. It's ideal for camping trips, pool parties, or just stashing in your car for emergencies. With the Baseus Mini Air Pump, you get quick and effortless inflation with the push of a button. It's perfect for air mattresses, beds, swimming rings, and more. Just plug it in, attach it to your inflatable item, and watch it work its magic. The Baseus Mini Air Pump offers both inflation and deflation capabilities. It can fully inflate an air mattress in just 60 seconds, and it also features an auto-stop function for added convenience. Despite its small size, this pump is equipped with a high-speed DC motor that provides consistent and strong airflow. It's fast, efficient, and perfect for all your inflating needs. The powerful Li-ion battery ensures long-lasting performance. The Baseus Mini Air Pump also includes a handy LED light. This feature is perfect for camping trips or late-night tasks, providing soft, non-glaring illumination to keep you safe. Number 1. Flextail Gear Pro Max Portable Mini Air Pump. First up, let's talk performance. The Flextail Gear Pro Max offers 2 levels of pressure, low pressure mode at 2.5 kPa and high pressure mode up to 4.5 kPa. With a flow rate of 300 liters per minute, this pump delivers rapid inflation or deflation. Whether you need to quickly set up your air mattress or deflate your gear, it's got you covered. Plus, it even has an air blow function that's handy for starting a fire on your camping trip. This pump is more than just an inflator. It also doubles as a camping light and a phone charger. The built-in LED light can be steplessly adjusted to your preferred brightness, making it perfect for low-light conditions. Whether you're setting up camp or navigating in the dark, you can count on this pump. And for those times when your phone needs a boost, it can charge your device once or twice depending on the battery capacity. Powering all these features is a robust 3600 milliampere battery. On a full charge, you can get up to 60 minutes of use in low-pressure mode or 30 minutes in high-pressure mode. The camping light can last up to 76 hours at 50 lumens or 12 hours at 500 lumens. The Type-C charging port adds convenience, allowing you to charge it using a power bank, laptop, car charger, or wall adapter. The Flextail Gear Pro Max is incredibly lightweight at just 5.64 ounces and has a compact size of 3.03 by 2.26 by 2.02 inches. It's perfect for tossing in your backpack or carrying along on any outdoor adventure. With 5 different nozzles included, this mini pump is versatile enough for almost any inflatable item, from air mattresses to pool floats. Made from solid ABS material and featuring excellent sealing technology. So there you have it, our top 5 portable electric air pumps for 2024. Whether you need quick inflation for your camping gear or a reliable pump for home use, these options have got you covered. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our latest reviews and gear guides. And don't forget to check out the links in the description below for more details on each of these awesome pumps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.